Greetings YouTube! This is the Silver Top Flyer coming at you from North Georgia. I just heard from the drone worship and they have gone out. They're about an hour from where he lives looking for Brian Laundrie. I'm sorry, Dog Bounty Hunter, but you got drone worship on the case. You're probably not going to get your bounty, because I know if drone worship's looking for him, probably not going to find him. Brian Laundrie, if you're in the sound of my voice, everything done in the dark of night always comes to light. You're a horrible, despicable person. Everybody knows what you did, and I hope you pay for it. To Gabby's parents and family, we are so sorry. All my condolences go out to you. May the Lord bless you and keep you. Take care of yourself. This is Silver Top Flyer, signing out.